how to use Meta AI to generate photos or images. So basically what you need to do first is to go to your Meta AI website or the dashboard and then log into your account. So basically you can use your Facebook or Instagram to log in or sign up to Meta AI. Now, what you need to do next is start a new conversation. And then you will see a button here called Imagine. So this is the how you can produce an image or a photo. So you can say, imagine a cat dancing. And then you can now type that prompt and send it to the AI and wait for it to load and generate the photos. So that's how simple it is to generate the images. You just give it a prompt or an instruction, and you can even specify it to however you like. So let's say a cat dancing inside a box. So that will regenerate different images or different types of images with that prompt. So wait for it to load, and that should be it. And now it has successfully created some more better images with the right prompts. So now you can see here a cat dancing inside a box. So with no background. So we can add that to the prompt itself and then be more specific. Wait for it to load again, and it will apply some changes to your images. Now, as you can see, it has successfully generated a cat dancing inside a box with no background. And that is how you can create photos with Meta AI.